I, Seema Seth, will be taking your SST class in class 7. As at present, children, you must be knowing that COVID period is going on and we are unable to come to school. So online classes are starting. In this class, I will be. It has become the need of our time, and it is very compulsory for the students to attend it. Children, in between my class or at the end of this lecture, I will be asking certain questions from you related to the topic. Today's my topic is media and democracy. Yes, children, you must be facing the situation and you must be making yourself aware of the updates which are coming of COVID-19. How can we make update with the situation of COVID-19 and all? Yes, it is through the media. You must have heard the word media quite often nowadays. They are the people who are gathering information and telling us what is the death rate and how many people are infected by it and what government has taken measures to protect the people and all. All this come under the heading of media. Yes, media. By media, what do you mean? It is a platform that gives us information of what is happening around us and in the other part of the country or in the other part of the world. So let us begin with the topic. My question to you is, what is media? Media is a process of exchange of thought and information. Media is a means of communication of the people with the various other sources around them. It is a bridge between the people and the other sources. It is a connecting thread of people with the other sources. So I have told you that what is media in the simplest form. Yes, now I will be telling you what are the various forms of media. Yes, children, from where we get the news and all? Yes, we get the news from radio, television, mobile, and newspapers, magazines, books, etc. Okay. Now, as I have started my topic media and I have explained you what is media and what are the various sources of media, now I will be telling you the types of media. Yes, children, there are two types of media, that is print media and the digital electronic media. What do you mean by print media? Print media is that source through which we can read through books, magazines, newspaper. Okay, children, in the morning, what happens? When the newspaper fellow comes, we all rush to get the newspaper to read the latest news of the day. So, what is the work of this newspaper? It is giving us information. It is giving us news. It is making us update. Yes, students, now we will be discussing the types of media. There are two types of media, that is print media. Now we are coming to the types of media. There are two types of media, that is electronic media and the print media. By print media we mean the written documents through which we can get information. For example, newspapers, books, magazines and journals, etc. They all come under the heading of print media. And electronic media, it is TV, mobile phone or fax machine and all. Okay? Why it is called an electronic media? Because it is a digital media. We operate through buttons and all. Okay? Now let us proceed further. Yes. What is the importance of mass media? Mass media plays a very important role in the economic and the cultural globalization. At present, it is playing an important role in spreading education in the remote areas and making the people aware, making the people socially aware. Okay, you must have seen in TV many programs have been launched by government. For example, Swachhta Bharat Abhiyan, or education is compulsory for the children up to the age of 14 and on, so on. These are all the policies of the government which are implemented implemented through media to make them people aware socially. Okay. Now another heading of mine is media and technology. You must be listening. How this has become possible? This has become possible by the latest technology used in the media. How we are connected with one part, with the other part of the world. Yes, it is through the technology. For example, the satellites, computers, internet and all. One computer is connecting with the whole computers of the world and spreading the messages or the news anywhere at any time. This is all technology. This is all technology. Now you must be seeing that by adopting the new technology, the lifestyle of the people is changing continuously. For example, you must be seeing nowadays in every person's hand there is a mobile. Mobile has also become an important source of information. We can open the Google and we can get the meaning of the words or the news, or we can make ourselves update. Do you know how it has become possible? Yes, it has become possible through the latest technology which has been used by the media to enrich itself. For example, you can take the example that many newspapers in TV, many advertisements are being depicted for the sale of their products. So people are watching TV nowadays quite often, and they are seeing these advertisements, and if it suits them, they try to purchase it, and this is how it is also making the market value of the products rising. Now let me come to the another topic, democracy. Democracy, as all of you know, that it is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. People elect their representatives, and these representatives from the government. In democracy, media plays a very important role in forming the public opinion. It provides information. It gives us the complete and the latest information about the important events which are taking place around us and in the world. It also updates us by the various policies which are started by the government through newspapers. We come to know about the working of the government. If the government is following any policy which is not benefiting the large number of people, then people can raise voice against it, and the government has got the right to change it. So children, I have explained you what is media and what is democracy, how media helps and creates important public opinion in democracy. Yes, you can go through this, and I am asking you certain questions which you have to answer it very carefully. All the questions are related to this topic only. Here are my questions. Yes, first question comes. Can anybody tell what is a media? Yes, media is a platform of information, exchange of thoughts and communication. Give different examples of media, and you have to draw it very nicely and neatly in your copies. Okay, what are the different examples of media? Newspaper, books, journals, TV, radio, mobile, etc. Okay. How many types of media are there? Yes. There are two types of media. That is print media and electronic media. Now you have to give them the definition of print media and electronic media along with the examples. Okay? And then what is the importance of media? You have to tell that how media is playing an important role in our life as well as in our surroundings. With this, I have come to the end of my topic and hope you have enjoyed it and understood it nicely, and have a nice day and goodbye. So students, in this lecture we have understood what is the word media is. Media is a platform of information which gave us information of what is happening around us in this world, in our city, in our country, elsewhere. We have discussed that there are various examples of media in it. For example, newspaper, books, journals, then internet and all like this. Okay. Then we have discussed the print media, two types of media, that is print media and the electronic media. Yes, children, let me know what is a print media. Yes, print media is a written document, and the examples of print media are books, newspaper, magazines, journals, etc. And what is electronic media? Electronic media is a digital system. For example, we can send our messages through computers to any part of the world. Then we have discussed how this media plays a very important role in creating the public opinion, and in democracy it plays a very important role. It makes the people aware of what is happening, what are the policies of the government, whether it is useful for the people or not. Through this, the government gets public opinion that the policies which are launched by it is liked by the people or not. So here I am summing up my lecture, and now I will be giving you some homework related to my lecture, and here is the homework. So please note it down. The questions are very simple and you can answer very easily if you have listened to my lecture very nicely. So my first question is to all of you. What is the media? Media is a platform of information. It is a bridge of expressing the views of the person, etc. So I am now giving you certain questions. Please note it out and do the homework nicely and submit to me on Tuesday on the ERP group. Yes, children, my first question to all of you is, what is media? In my discussion, I have already told you that media is a platform of information. And what are the different examples of media? Yes, TV, radio, newspaper, magazines, computers, etc. You have to draw it on a chart or in your copy. Then you have to explain how many types of media are there. There are two types of media. Name them. That is print media and electronic media. What is an electronic media? Electronic media is a digital media. For example, computer, etc. Okay, what is print media? Print media is a written document. What is the importance of media? Media plays a very important role in creating a public opinion. Hope children you have understood all the questions nicely and my lecture very nicely, and you will be able to answer these questions very nicely. All the best, do your work nicely, and you have to submit this work on 11th August in the ERP group. Okay, bye children. Have a nice day and do the homework nicely and intelligently. Draw the different examples of media neatly and clearly. Okay, bye children. See you then.